What's going on, guys? Welcome to our YouTube channel. What I'm going to show you guys how to do today is make a killer chicken salad or spinach wrap. It tastes absolutely amazing, gets you your high protein with very little carbohydrates. So if you guys like this video, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Also smash that like button. It really helps us out. We hope you guys enjoy this video. Okay, welcome back. Let's go ahead and get started. What we're gonna need is a few different ingredients. I don't have any spinach or tortilla wraps with me, so you can pick those up at the store. We're just gonna make the salad itself. So what you're gonna need is you're gonna need chicken. This is chicken breast. It's chunk chicken. I get the chicken at Walmart. It costs about $2.50 for a container that has roughly 54 grams of protein. I use 8 of these at a time because I prep my food for the whole week. So you're gonna need 8 of these. I also get diced jalapeno. Now what we want to do is we want to drain the water out of this and we want to dice it up into little pieces. Same thing with the chicken. We want to drain that water, get all the water out that we can possibly get in the chicken. And then we're going to cut up some green apples. We're going to dice these up into really small pieces. And all we're going to do is we're going to put it in I put it in this big aluminum container. I dump all the chicken into here, which I've already done to save us time in this video. And then I'm going to dump the jalapenos in here. Now this makes it spicy, and it also makes it a little bit sweet with the green apples. You can add some cherries, some dried cranberries as well. I avoid that because I don't want the excess sugar in there, but it also tastes really good. You can also add some walnuts in there if you're trying to get some more fats and less carbs. But for now, all we're going to do is put the jalapeno mix with the chicken, and then we're going to put all the apples, the green apples. These are Granny Smith apples. Dump these in here, and we can top it off with some spicy ranch dressing. Now, if you're trying to avoid any of the fats in here, this has a little bit of fats. It has 2 carbohydrates, roughly 11 grams of fat. So if you're on your keto, you can have a little bit of this spicy ranch dressing, which makes it taste even better. But I go very sparingly on this. But it does add great taste. And again, this is spicy ranch dressing. And I don't put this in there until I'm ready to eat, you know, whether it's a chicken bowl or whether I'm wrapping it in a spinach wrap. This goes last because you don't want your chicken to go soggy. And then last but not least, what I do is I put this in a Ziploc bag when I'm done mixing this together. And then we're prepared for the week to have this to go on the road. Very easy, takes only 5 minutes to make. But like I said, each can has 54 grams of protein. You got your jalapenos, which have no calories, or very little calories, I should say. Let's see exactly what it has. It doesn't say. Calories, 0 calories. So you're getting nothing in there, but you're getting a fantastic tasting meal here. Really good to take on the road, take on vacation when you're traveling on your trips. So give this a try. My friends absolutely love this. We take it on the golf course when we go golfing. I take it for meal preps after the gym. But like I said, it tastes amazing. If you guys enjoy this dish, hit the subscribe button below, hit our like button, and also leave us a comment and tell me how much this is the most amazing meal in the world. I guarantee you, you'll love it because I love it and everybody else loves it. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day.